What's up, Cassholes? It's Sassy Cass, and welcome back to my beehive. We're gonna do a little checkup on it today. I was gonna look and see if there was maybe another frame of honey that I could snatch. They're hard at work. Right here behind me is a big giant alfalfa field, and bees thrive on alfalfa, they thrive on lavender. So this field is beautiful purple. I'm not sure you can see it that great from where you're at, but hi, I'm Cassie, and if you're new here, please subscribe. I'm Sass. I do bees, I do entrepreneurship, I do whatever I do. Oh my God, what a beautiful little property I'm at. This is my hive in my hometown. I live in Julesburg, Colorado. It is a bumfuck town. Off Highway 76, it's an interstate. Off Interstate 76 and I-80. I moved back to my hometown and decided that I wanted to get a beehive. Why did I feel compelled to do that? I don't freaking know. I'll keep trying to figure that out. But in the meantime, we're gonna do bee stuff together. Will I do this forever? I hope that this is my family business. Do I know if that's the case yet? No, because I'm just trying to make sure I can keep my goddamn bees alive first. Okay. Look at my boots. You can't see them that great. Okay, let's get my cute little top. We're hoping that, we being me, I'm hoping that my phone doesn't overheat while we're out here. But that very well may be the case. I got my hive tool, and we're gonna fill the water first. Far enough back. Here, let's tilt you up for a sec. Hi. Today I just have some distilled water. Not sure if it really matters if it's drinking distilled. It could be piss water for all we give a shit. I'm going to clean out the nasty water that it is. We're gonna rinse it out a little bit before we fill her up. Then we're gonna open up the hive and see what kind of sights there are to be seen. I lost my container, so I'll save these containers in my trunk and just refill them over and over again. Fresh water, babies. We'll do a little more. There's no wind. It's usually windy here where I live. Alright, that's good. Oh, the bees are flying around my face. I'm here to help you guys. Do you guys want fresh water or not? I hear them buzzing up in there, dude. We gotta put this thing on. Oh shit. I'm not qualified for this, by the way. I just found some fucking guy on Craigslist. No, I found him on Facebook. David, my bee guy. He's great. All right, let's take a gander. Some of them are fanning the hive, checking it out. Sorry, I love my bees so much. Okay, we'll set those to the side. Say a prayer. Here, we'll bring you a little bit closer. Kind of get in there. Okay. You still see me? Oh, okay. Okay. See how they're doing in this box. I need my tool. Oh, shit. Oh shit, dude. I just love these little bastards. I think I see some honey. Are you guys working hard? Come here. Wow, this hive is multiplying very quickly. I can tell because of how many frames they have built out over here. Oh my god! I feel like we should start over here. Okay, hold on. Hold on. It's hotter than a motherfucker. Let's see what we got going on. Use the hook to hook it up. Wow, they're really building out this frame. The honey. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bees make me horny. Are you enjoying the show? Oh shit. Ah! Honey! This is a honey frame. They just haven't capped it yet. Oh my god. Vibes. Vibes. Here, it's heavy. That's how I know it's going to be a honey frame. And they've already started capping little bits of it, so obviously, yeah, okay. What the hell do I know? I'm not even looking for the queen today. We're just, I don't know what I'm doing actually. Kind of like that, I feel like. Okay. All right, they're starting to cap this over. They're working, they're buzzing. I love my bees. You guys are gorgeous. Oh, you guys are just like starting to cap over all kinds of shit. Okay, okay, I see you. And I raise you a fuck yeah. Why is it itchy? I'm itchy. I'm allergic. Okay, this one. Holy shit, it's heavy. Another one. Oh, this one has brood, so there's babies on here. Worker bees. Holy shit, sweating down my eyes. So much sweat. Oh, what a great lay pattern. She lays beautifully. Okay, we're doing good. Not sure I want to go much further. It just seems like they're doing their thing. I'm not, you know, doesn't look like there's any honey ready on this portion. Fuck, bro. Sweating like a hog. This one you can see here. How they're like just barely getting it built. Like it's still just a plastic frame. See that? I'm in the shadow. Hold on. I'm sweating so bad. Having an allergic reaction to something on my wrist also. Not a bee. This is what I'll do. I'll move both of these over here. Shit. Hold on. They're very chill, very calm buzz. It's like for me sweating so freaking bad. Oh my god. Alright. These bees are starting to get a little stirred, so let's put them back. Put that. 1 and 2. Motherfucker. Slide them gingerly. I want you to see how sweaty I am. Holy shit. Lots of bees flying around, aren't there? All right, well, I think that's it. Stressed. They seem to be doing okay, but now there's like a bunch rushing in. It seems like I've made the hive a little bit angry. So let's just put it back and we will come visit another day soon. Ooh, it's not so fucking hot. Fucking nuts, bro. Come on, let's go away from the hive a little bit. I'll show you how sweaty I am. Oh my god. You can just tell when the vibes of the... Hello? You can just tell when the vibes of the hive change. Oh god. It's hot. All right, well. Stirred it a little bit, but it's okay. They needed it. Probably not. I'm just kidding. Thank you for coming. Looks like they're doing well. They're filling out that top box, so probably in the next month it'll be full of honey, and I'll look forward to pulling a couple more frames. I'm hoping that my hive down south in Holyoke is working the same, because I recently went and added the second box. So I'm just waiting, commiserating, and looking forward to pulling a couple of frames of honey here at the end of the season before they go into winter mode. So come back and stay tuned for more. Please subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye.